Hello. Question 14 now. Solving inequality. We solve inequality in the same manner as we solve equations, except one fact, when we had to divide by a negative number. So, we know that 4x plus 1 more than x minus 5. So, let's subtract x from each side. Yeah? If we subtract x from each side, I'm getting 3x plus 1 more than minus 5. To solve inequality, I need to answer the question, what is the x? Or how, to find all the values of x. So therefore I need to eliminate, I need to isolate x, to have x on its own. So I will subtract 1 from each side. Right? Subtracting 1 from each side. Minus 5, subtract 1. You've been at minus 5 and you subtracted 1, it means you go down to minus 6, right? On the number line, if you have been at minus 5 and you take away 1, it means you go to lower numbers, which is minus 6, okay? Be careful with this subtraction, okay? And now we need to divide by 3 to get to x. 3 is a positive number, so the inequality sign doesn't change direction, so we divide by 3. Negative divided by positive 3 is negative 2. So x is going to be more than minus 2. We have found all the values of x that will satisfy to this inequality. All x's that more than minus 2 will be good. End of question. Let's do question 15. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. Find the exact length of the side marked Y. Okay, we have a right angle triangle. We have two sides and an angle between them. So surely we are going to use trigonometry, right? For this angle, this side is adjacent. It's part of the angle. And this side is the longest side, opposite of the hypotenuse. Oh, sorry, opposite of the right angle, so we call it hypotenuse, right? So the ratio that works with adjacent and hypotenuse sides is sine. So we'll write sine 60 degrees is adjacent y over 4. So therefore y is going to be multiplied by 4. We need to get rid of this denominator, so we multiply each side by 4. We're getting 4 sine 60 degrees. At this stage, you must know by heart what sine 60 degrees is. For those of you who keep forgetting how to find it, remember how we've got this sine, cos and tangent 60 degrees angles. 60 degrees concern with equilateral triangles, right? So you draw equilateral triangle 60 degrees and each side will be 2 and 2, and then you drop perpendicular height. Okay, when you draw perpendicular height, this, and you consider this right angle, okay, this side will be 1 because the perpendicular height will split this side into 2 equal parts, so this will be 1. Then we'll find, using Pythagoras, that this height is going to be square root of 3. Why? Because square root of 2 squared minus 1 squared is 4 minus 1 square root of 3, right? So now this is 60 degrees, and so look at this triangle. To find, we need sine of 60 degrees, we need opposite side, right? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse, so it's square root of 3 divided by 2. So 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. When you multiply this fraction by a number, so you cancel them, right? So you get 2. So the answer will be 2 roots of 3. Why I'm not doing anything else? That's my answer, because they ask for the exact length, right? The exact length means they want you to live in the third form, so 2 roots of 3. But you will write units if they would be any units given. They didn't give you units. If you want to be very smart, you can write units here, or you'll be fine. If they didn't write units themselves, if they didn't say anywhere here, they can say sometimes in this like a separate sentence saying like all lengths are measured in centimeters, then you must put centimeters, otherwise you'll be in trouble. But as far as I see, I can't see any units here, so you either write units or write nothing. Okay, that's end of the video.